Before we start, here are my top 3 recipes so far. Number 3. Fast, easy, comfort food. Number 2. The heart of Japanese food. Almost made the top 3. Restaurant quality at home. Number 1. Simple, but unbelievably good. If you've never cooked Japanese food before, start with one of these 3. Now, let's get into today's recipe, an updated version of chicken wing gyoza. From here, less talking, more cooking sounds and onomatopoeia. Relax and enjoy. Today's menu is chicken wing gyoza. These are the ingredients and seasonings. Details are in the description. When you want to cook, please check there. Chives, cabbage, garlic, ginger, shiso leaves. Chinese cabbage looks similar to cabbage, so I skipped the shot. Add ground pork, chopped vegetables, and seasonings. Knead well. Once mixed, divide into 2 bowls. Add shiso leaves to 1. Now you have 2 fillings. Remove the bones. Open the inside carefully, so the filling can go in. Season with soy sauce and cooking sake. Let it rest. Fill the chicken wings. Now they're ready. Next, regular gyoza. Many people struggle with pleats, so here it is in slow motion. don't overfill. That's the key to clean pleats. Now, bonus part. Gyoza wrappers aren't easy to find everywhere, so I'll show you how to make them. This is a step toward using my own voice, so I kept the words minimal. Enjoy the sounds, the onomatopoeia, and this delicious recipe. Which style do you like more? This one or my previous videos? Your comments always mean a lot. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share if you enjoyed.